Finding the slope of a line. The slope of a line is denoted as m equals to the changing of y over the changing of x, or simply just m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. For example, we have the point A, which is 3 and 5, and the point B, which is 5 and 8. In point A, 3 is the x sub 1 and 5 is the y sub 1. In point B, 5 is the x sub 2 and 8 is the y sub 2. So using the formula, our y sub 2 is 8 minus the y sub 1, which is 5, all over the x sub 2, which is 5, minus the x sub 1, which is 3. So subtract 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we have the slope 3 over 2. Another example, point A, which is 4 and 6, and the point B is 2 and 9. So the x sub 1 is 4, the y sub 1 is 6, the x sub 2 is 2, and the y sub 2 is 9. Using the formula, so our y sub 2 is 9 minus the y sub 1, which is 6, all over the x sub 2, which is 2, minus the x sub 1, which is 4. So subtract 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Over 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2. So we have the slope negative 3 over 2.